All right, so today we're out doing the maiden flight of our Avios BushMule. I gotta be really honest with you, I'm super excited about flying this plane. This thing is gigantic. It's gonna be an absolute hoot. We couldn't ask for better wind conditions. Let's get out there and see how she does. All right, super excited. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I think I've got her.
Those aren't flaps, those are air brakes. Holy crap! Where's she going? Oh, that plane is awesome.
She's got power. I'm trying to keep
That was not the side I expected to go to.
Tate, I like this plane a lot. Okay, setting up for landing. I misjudged the runway distance. Oh, hopefully she's okay because I love this plane. Let's go take a look. Alrighty, well let's take a look a little closer here. Flip her over. So, my gosh, what a beautiful flying airplane. Shoot, she looks like she could go right back up in the sky. Other than that gear. Looks like the main coil actually bent. Now, theoretically, that's an easy fix. There we go, you got that?
I do.
Give it a little bit of love here. Yeah.
Something.
There it is. Look at that. I think we could go right back up. Now, the real question is, what are we at power-wise? Let's just out of curiosity, take a peek. Trusty battery checker. If I can get it in the pins. 47%.
I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but 47%, that's not bad.
That's not bad. All right, well, I hate to say it, that one darn bush jumped up and grabbed me.
The one tall bush on the entire end.
Yeah, the one darn bush jumped up and grabbed me, pulled me right out of the sky. It was the most vindictive bush I've ever seen. But the bush mule, she's still in good shape, ready for another flight.
Well, that's what it is. The bush was jealous of her name.
Oh. Well, shoot. I think we got to try that landing one more time.
I think we should.
Yeah, let's make it stick. All right. Make sure we track straight. You ready?
I'm rolling. Ooh. She is a squirrel in the air.
She's a squirrel. She's going to be a squirrel to land. Oh, Kate, E-flite's so good. Look at that.
Except now we've got to get off the runway so she can have it.
Hands off the radio.
Really? Do that again.
Look at that. She's just flying. She's just doing her thing.
That's beautiful.
Oh, getting a little altitude though. All right, let's get off the runway here. Actually, you know what, Tate? Against my better judgment, I'm going to approach from the north.
Really? Why? You hate the north.
I do. The north is where sadness lives. Oh, a little bouncy.
That's those hard wheels.
Oh!
Look at her just plow through the grass.
I actually tried to turn the reverse prop on, so I goosed it. All right, let's get the throttle.
Throttle cut.
All right, so let's get ourselves a final extra here. All right, without a question, the BushMule is a plane to have. The features of the plane are fantastic. Its flight characteristics really surprised me. Oh my gosh, this was just a joy to fly. And on a maiden flight where you kind of have some gremlins to work out, overall, the only one I had is I kept punching the throttle when I thought the props were reversed.
What do you think of those tires?
You know, they held up. A lot better than I thought they would. We'll have to do a few more hard landings, fast landings. We'll see how they hold up to the actual runway's abrasiveness. But overall, not bad. There was a rattle as we were flying, and it sounds like it was the wheels actually spinning because they were so big. So that was a little disconcerting, but BushMule, great plane. Keep flying. So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers.
It's so true. All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time,
Keep flying!